Now, before I reveal any Bitcoin secrets, we'd like to congratulate you for taking the first step towards creating your very next successful Bitcoin or niche online business. Now, it doesn't matter if you're totally new to Bitcoin and this is the very first course you're taking, or if you're a complete expert on Bitcoin. Let me tell you a little secret. This course isn't about the technical side of Bitcoin. Now, I wanted to take advantage of this introduction and set out some solid expectations about what we'll achieve throughout this entire course. Now, Ophir started out with Bitcoin during April 2013. He read an article on TechCrunch talking about some crazy digital currency that just became $1 billion market. Now, at that time, Ophir had just closed shop on his latest startup, which basically crashed and burned, and was now looking for a new opportunity to start meddling with. Immediately he thought to himself, if this Bitcoin thingy has already made it to TechCrunch, it's probably going to go mainstream very soon. You see, for every new idea, there is an adoption life cycle that looks something like this. The horizontal axis is time, and the y-axis is the percent of population. Then the numbers at the bottom represent the area under each segment. Let's take smartphones for example. When they first came out, only a handful of fanatics tried it out. These were the innovators. Then after a while, it became a bit more popular and less awkward, and all of the early adopters came on board. Then came the early majority, which is one of the two biggest groups, followed by the herd, also known as the late majority. Then last but not least, we have the laggards, who will only switch to a smartphone if there is literally no other choice. And I bet you can think of a few laggards you know in your life. Now, if Bitcoin was featured, as it was on TechCrunch, Ophir assumed it was on its way to being embraced by the early majority and would soon boom. So, sitting at home, he thought to himself, there's got to be an opportunity, a business opportunity, hidden inside the Bitcoin landscape for me. I mean, other than just trading the coin and risking his own money due to the insane fluctuations in the exchange rate, there must be a safer way to take advantage of this brand new technology. Now, I'm not going to go through the whole story here, since you're going to receive an extremely in-depth case study of 99 Bitcoins throughout this entire course. But let me fast forward you now to 2015. Ophir currently owns an online Bitcoin business that has made $120,000 in 2014 alone. Now, I know that some of you probably don't believe this is possible, but I can assure you it's true. And later on, you'll also get to see the exact profits.